My name is Sally and I work in the category department as a category assistant.
My name's Maria Mitchell and I work in the marketing team.
My name is Joy Herring. I work in the category department as a category assistant.
We volunteered for Paw Prints Dog Rescue in Rugby.
The project that I got involved in was litter picking.
So Paw Prints take in abandoned and stray dogs, and they're a charity that makes sure all the dogs are behaviour checked and are veterinary checked before they get rehomed.
So while we were at Paw Prints, we did a lot of weeding, painted fences, and we also moved a lot of stone so they can move out their kennels.
We managed to clear up many bags of rubbish, and seeing them all piled together just made it feel like even more of an achievement to have gone out there and really cleared up our local community.
And also spend some time with colleagues from around the business that we wouldn't usually spend time with.
Häfele offer 2 days a year to go out and volunteer. So
it's a fantastic way that our business allows its people to give back and feel good while doing so.